Vroom, vroom. Hey bro, check out my Lamborghini.
My name is Blue Hair Dave, and here's the deal. I may not flex a Lambo.
Bro, check out my car.
What?
What are you doing by my car?
Is this your car?
Dude.
Sorry.
Come on, man.
I might not flash cash in my videos.
Money? Yeah.
But I do know internet marketing and running a successful business from my home. I've been doing it at a top level for over 13 years. Awards and badges? I got plenty of those. I would love for you to join me on my adventures. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be a part of it and learn some things along the way. Tutorials, tips, breakdowns, and even full course access. Get the answers you seek, all for free. So click and subscribe now. Go ahead and hit the button so you don't miss anything.
Do it, bro. Subscribe. And pound that like button, sister.
Side effects may include racing heart, pockets full, paid bills, numerous lovers, irresistible body pheromones, thousands of adoring fans, sweaty elbows, and extreme balling.
Stop real quick. This is Dave. I got a video up here. It's free right now. It's step by step, and it was $97. It's step by step on how to do digital marketing and affiliate marketing like I do. I was charging $97 for this video as part of my course, and now I have it to you for free. It's an hour of information, but you gotta watch it right now. It's gonna tell you everything you need to do from step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to start doing digital marketing the way I do it. Go ahead. It's in this box right here, but you gotta click it right now. This box, it's just sitting here. Boop, boop, boop. The recommended video. Click it right now, and I'll see you inside, guys. Take care.